Hey, what's up, people? Welcome to the weekly fashion news that we post on every Saturday. And by the name, you might understand that we post about the weekly fashion stuff this particular day. We asked for suggestions the last week, but koi khas suggestion mila nahi on the name, what we could keep the name for the day. But it's okay. We are covering high street fashion collaborations this week to a very big reseller brand who is in financial sankat right now. We are covering a lot of things from chaos to market moves and many other different things. So hello, my name is Rupanji Kumar and I welcome you to Renaissance Solocast. Let's start with one of the most anticipated collaboration that has happened this week, and the collaboration has dropped today itself. It's 30th of October when I'm recording this video. And the collaboration has happened between H&M and Glenn Martens. The collaboration is very creative. Basically, Glenn Martens has bought his bold and creative design language to H&M. H&M, being the fast fashion brand, does collaborations very often, and a collaboration like this is very interesting because the pieces looks very basic and simple at the very first look, but when you dive deeper, then you might understand that the collaboration is much more than very simple, right? The collection has a British accent to it, and the collection is a lot inspired by Y Project. Glenn Martens was the creative director at Y Project before joining Maison Margiela this year itself, and he has brought the essence of that to the H&M and the Glenn Martens collaboration, because the products, even after looking simple, it has hidden metal wirings and metal plates all around the clothes. Most of the clothes have that, and you can customize it on your own. So it gives an avant-garde feeling to the cloth, and it looks very interesting as well as very creative. If you could own a piece, that would be great. It's available in the H&M India website as well as globally, so you can purchase it on your own. I hope you did like the H&M and Glenn Martens wala collaboration because it was very interesting. But H&M has also collaborated with an Indian brand apna H&M beauty wala lineup promote karne ke liye, and it's Nykaa. So H&M has listed 200 different products on Nykaa's website, and it would be live in the month of November. So all the individuals who are interested in the beauty line of fashion, you can definitely visit the Nykaa's website and purchase from H&M Beauty. All of us can see that the fast fashion industry is expanding a lot. But do you know what's trembling? It's the resale market and the resale brands involved in that, right? Ab, ek Montreal-based fashion luxury resale brand called Essence is having and facing financial problems and severe financial problems. So let's dive deep into what happened. Initially, it was seen that Essence was performing comparatively better than its competitors like StockX, but things are not going good with them right now. So they have around $371 million in liabilities and around $387 million in assets. इससे ऐसा लगता है कि वो recover कर सकते हैं, and they have also introduced a $40 million restructuring plan to recover themselves and clear out debts. ठीक है, उन पे बहुत ही सारे ब्रांड्स का लाइक डेथ है, ब्रांड्स लाइक स्टोन आइलैंड, राल्फ लॉरेन, Fear of God, and multiple such brands. But they have also filed for bankruptcy. So I don't know what's happening. But the thing that I know is that the world is facing a big recession, and every other industry is getting affected by this. But the fashion industry is extremely affected by this. So जितने भी brands थे, StockX, Coat, Essence, जितने भी reseller brands थे, they are affected a lot and they are not able to recover. I just hope कि Essence recover हो जाए and they get back to the track of reselling, but who knows what's going to happen. We can just hope. The next news is coming from a big brand, but the news is pretty small. Okay, most of the female audience who are watching this video might know the brand. It's Lululemon. Okay, it's known for its shapewear and the yoga wear wali aesthetic, and the brand is very good when it comes to quality and everything. They've introduced an athletic wear lineup and a collaboration with NFL, the National Football League. Yeah, National Football League. That's the full form of NFL. It's the American football wala scene. So they've introduced that, and the collaboration is looking good. Recently, most of the brands have tried shifting into the athleisure wear. Even I am wearing something which is like athleisure wear right now. But most of the brands are trying to shift to athleisure wear because the trends are going that way. So let's see how the collaboration performs and gets to the minds of the customers. Now let's hop on to the Indian news. The very first Indian news is coming from one of the most creative brands of India. I say that for all the brands because all of the Indian brands are creative. and the brand's name is Almost Gods. So Almost Gods have come up with their Autumn Winter 2025 pre-collection. The collection's name is Destruction as Ecstasy, and the collaboration looks new but at the same time a bit in the same language as Almost Gods produces. The collection features unisex distressed silhouettes and bold graphics. It's more of like a chaos in a creative expression, and they're trying to set a mood is what I feel. They're trying to set a mood for their autumn winter 2025 collection, the bigger collection. But what they could have done is they could have experimented a lot with the fabrics and everything. But I understand that they're trying to do something with art and everything. So if you're interested in a pre-collection and if you're interested in Almost Gods, then you can visit their website and probably buy the pre-collection of the autumn winter 2025. If you want something like more of art over like simple trends, then you can surely visit their website and purchase them. The last and the final news is coming from Reliance. What I feel is that these big multinational companies are slowly getting their foots paved into the path of fashion industry, and I understand कि fashion industry में बहुत ही ज़्यादा growth है, पैसे भी हैं, so they're trying to get into the business, but that's great for the fashion industry, to be very honest. So they're bringing Max & Co, which is a women's wear sophisticated Italian brand, a subsidiary brand of Max Mara, which is the parent company of them, to India, and it is a good move for the luxury fashion world. They would be launching a store in Mumbai in the beginning of the year of 2026, and it would be a great thing to see such a big brand coming to India, because India is a very big market obviously for fashion, but these brands don't supposed to come to India because they just think that Indians won't be able to afford them. But yeah, they're coming to India, and that's a good news. That was it for the video. I hope you did like the video. Please comment your favorite part or the favorite news or anything that you liked in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram. We have been very much active on Instagram. I have been talking about it a lot recently. मतलब मैंने Instagram को बहुत ही ज़्यादा promote करा recently. But please follow us there. Also, we would be posting on Wednesdays and Saturdays as we usually do, and Wednesdays को थोड़ा underrated content आता है. The content that's not available on YouTube या Instagram पे शायद हो भी सकता है, but YouTube पे available नहीं है, ठीक है. जो हम Wednesdays को post करते हैं उनके बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता, तो हम बात करते हैं उनके बारे में, ठीक है. Even though हमें उतने views नहीं आते, but हम still बात करते हैं. So please do come on Wednesdays and Saturdays and like bless us with your presence. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Rupanji Kumar signing off.